Hi friends, I'm Kavitha. This channel is all about cooking traditional Indian recipes for my American and Western friends with locally available ingredients. Today, I'm going to show you a delicious simple dish to make your plain rice into a healthy, tasty and colorful rice. This is one of the recipe which you can make within 10 minutes if you have a cooked rice ready. The flavor of this rice will blow your mind. Come, let's check out the ingredients to prepare the dish. Cooked rice 1 bowl. Today I cooked 1 cup of basmati rice. I am adding the preparation of plain white rice in the description box. Lemon 1 small size. Squeezing it I got 3 tablespoons of juice. Sun-dried curry leaves few. It's purely optional. If you don't have, don't worry about it. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. Mustard seeds half teaspoon. Green chilies 2 count. If you don't have, no problem. You can add dry chilies. Red dry chili 1 count. If you don't have green chili, please take 2 counts of red chilies. Ginger half inch chopped into small pieces. Salt as required. Heat the pan in medium flame. Once the pan is hot, add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. After the cooking oil is heated, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Wait till the mustard seeds splatter. After that, add fresh or dry curry leaves. I am adding sun-dried curry leaf. If you don't have, no problem. After adding curry leaves, add all the other ingredients and saute it for a minute and reduce the flame to low. Now add the plain cooked rice to the pan. After adding rice, slowly just spread it evenly. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Salt as required. I added 1 tablespoon of salt. After adding all these ingredients, again increase the flame to medium and mix the rice well with other ingredients until it's combined well. Before you switch off the stove, check the salt and if required, you add little, mix well and switch off the stove. Now, our exotic but very simple and easy healthy lemon rice is ready to serve with any veggies or meat. Today I prepared the shallot chicken to accompany the healthy lemon rice along with some cucumbers. I am giving the link of the shallot chicken in the description box. Do give a try to this healthy dish and don't forget to share with your friends. Do like this video and consider subscribing to our channel. For any specific recipes, please write to us. We will try to post as early as possible.